Okay, so we need to listen carefully to this part because this is exactly what you are going to be doing in when you get to working on your own. So it says, listen to this story, draw a picture to represent this. So here's an example. This, when it says listen to this story, it's not a story. So it's not lots and lots of sentences. There's just a couple of sentences. So when you get to write your own, this is how simple it needs to be. There are 6 plates. There are 3 bananas on each plate. How many bananas altogether? So when you're writing this, you could literally copy this. There are something plates, but just change the numbers. Okay? How many bananas altogether? So we then draw the pictures to help us work out the answer. So we've got 6 plates, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 bananas on each plate. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you'd have a go at solving it. So we've got 6 groups, 3 on each, 6 times 3, counting threes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That is how it's going to be set out when you are doing it on your own. So it's just a case of thinking of different examples or different things you can have in your story. So rather than 6 plates, it could be 6 bags. Rather than bananas, it could be balls. So you've got 6 bags of 3 balls in each bag. How many altogether? Our next example. There are 4 bags. There are 6 apples in each bag. So we've got 4 bags, 6 apples in each bag. So then I draw the picture. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples in each bag. Then we'd have a go at solving it. 4 lots of 6. That would be difficult because we don't really know the 4 or 6 times tables, but you could easily count them up. And remember, we can always write the numbers down here so we don't forget. So we've got 6 in here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, so 18 there. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the answer, 4 times 6 or 6 times 4 equals 24. So that is how we're going to do it. You're going to make your story. So you just say there are something, bags, plates, trying to think of something else now. But then you need to say what's in that thing, on that thing. So in this case, we've got 4 bags and 6 apples in each bag. We draw the pictures to show that, so that when you come to work it out, it's easier for you to see. Here we have another example. There are 10 boxes of pencils. There are 10 pencils in each box. How many pencils are there altogether? So we're going to draw the 10 boxes. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in each. So then we've got 10, lots of 10, 10 times 10. And then if we count those, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So your answer will be 100. So what you are going to be doing now is you are going to be having a go at the worksheets, which I'll show you now. So here is the worksheet. Here we have some different calculations, and it says pick a calculation to card to base your story on. So you choose one of these, okay, and then you would write your story. So if I chose 5 times 3, I would write something like, there are 5 bags, there are 3 balls in each bag, how many altogether? So then I'd write the calculation here, 5 times 3, so that's this here, and I would put that here, okay? And then I'd have a go at drawing this. So if I was doing 5 bags of 3 balls, I would draw 5 bags, and then I'd put 5 balls in each bag, and then I would solve the answer. So you're doing that. You don't have to use this worksheet. If you just want to write it down, you could just write down there are 5 bags and 3 balls, how many altogether? You'd write the multiplication sum and draw the picture. Okay, just have a look at those for you to choose. So if you're finding this really difficult, maybe stick to things like the 2 times tables. If you want to challenge yourself, maybe have a look at the 3 times tables. As I say, try and do as many as you can. You don't have to do all of them because that's a lot of sums. Okay, so just do what you can. Choose the sums that you think are easy. Well, not easy, but aren't too difficult for you. And if you want to challenge yourself, try and go for those harder sums. So try and go for the 3 times tables. Maybe you're looking at 5 times 12 or 5 times 8 or 3 times 4. Okay? So can you have a go at those now, please?